Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today in this video I'll show you how to change region to United Kingdom or any other country on App Store, on iPhone of course. So let's jump right into it. First we open the App Store and then we go to your account by tapping the avatar on the top right corner. After that we tap on Apple ID, and that's the first one here. We pass the security check, and from here guys you can read country or region. We tap on it, we wait for a second, and then we tap again on change country or region. From here just look for the region you want to change your App Store to. I'm going to use United Kingdom for this video, so let's just find the United Kingdom, and once we find it we just tap on it. It is going to show us some terms and conditions that we'll have to agree to, so we'll just tap on agree on the top right corner. It is now going to require us to fill up some personal information. I'm just going to use some random information for this video. And then once we're done, we click on next on the top right corner and click on done. And that is it guys. We can see here we have successfully changed the regional App Store. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to like and comment down below. And also subscribe to the channel for more solutions to problems like these ones. Thanks for watching and see you soon.